What's up, guys? This is Terracon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. If you're a member of Clickbank, I keep on saying this. If you are a member of Clickbank, guys, you need to check this chain out. Okay? I upload about 3 videos about this training. It is so amazing. So if you are a member of Clickbank, you need to check this channel out, or if you are promoting anything at all online and you're not seeing the result that you wanted to see, you need to check this channel out. A link going to be in the description below if you are interested. But if you're not seeing any result in your online marketing space and you need to see some result, I think you got to check it out. Okay? I'm an affiliate at Clickbank and so many more company, guys. And as what I'm about to tell you, I joined a system where I'm following a step-by-step training, and it allows to let me see massive results in my account. I'm gonna log into my Clickbank account and show you guys real proof that this system does work. And if you are a Clickbank affiliate and you are not seeing any result on your Clickbank account, you need to check the system out. I'm gonna log into my Clickbank account. So you can see I'm in my Clickbank account and you can see what type of result I'm able to see just by using the system that I'm telling you guys about. This system will teach you how you can go about making your first $10,000 a month promoting anything. By joining the system will allow you to get paid from over 30 plus companies. So if you are in a business opportunity, or if you are in an online marketing opportunity, or if you are in affiliate marketing, or if you are doing any online marketing pertaining to earning money online, and you're only receiving one income, you need to set up your multiple stream of income. Don't rely on one company. That's if that one company goes away, your business don't die. Your business don't go away. This system that I'm telling you about allow me to set up my multiple stream of income. It allow me to get paid from multiple different sources. Clickbank is just one of them. I mentioned in the video before that I get paid from like ClickFunnels, ClickBank, ClickMagic, Aweber, and a lot more. I'm going to log into my ClickFunnels account and show you what this system has really teach me how to do and how to go about doing online marketing as a real businessman. This system will teach you how you can go about doing online marketing as a real businessman, like as a real marketer. I'm going to log into my ClickFunnels account right now and show you guys this system does work. As you can see, I'm here in my ClickFunnels account, and you can see today so far, Sunday, March 11, I made $30. Tuesday, March the 6th, I made $108. And guys, this all in US. Wednesday, March 7th, I see $4 come in. ClickFunnels pay me so far over $5,500. I earned so far with ClickFunnels just by using this system that I'm telling you about $5,845. This is my account. This is my name, Terry Cunningham. So guys, if you're really serious about making money with Clickbank and more other company, over 30 plus company, if you really need to set up your multiple stream of income and not relying on one company, not relying on one income stream, you need to click the link in the description and check out the system for yourself. Yes, check out the system for yourself, test it for yourself, and I guarantee you, you will thank me later. Okay? Have a nice day.